So done with the company setup and how to enable the e-invoice. Okay, now how to set up the document numbering format. Okay, so in Million, there will be a new features that you can enable for submit immediately or you want to submit manually. I can say it manually lah. Okay, so you go to system, admin tools, and then you go to document number. Okay, so this one, only if you have the e-invoice license, you can set this one. Okay, so you go to sales invoice, edit. Okay, so I cannot show you the function here because I don't have the license. But if you have the license, you will have a column for data access point. So the data access point, you can choose e-invoice. Okay, wait, I show in the... Okay, so it show like this. Okay, this one is how you want to enable to send e-invoice immediately. So when you edit the sales invoice, okay, there will be a column for data access point. So here, by default is blank. Okay, if you want to enable it, you need to change it to e-invoice. Okay, so that after you create the invoice, when you click save, it will prompt this message. Do you want to send this transaction to e-invoice portal? So you can click yes lah. Okay, so this is the method to send immediately. Okay, but if you don't want to immediately send, you just leave it this blank. Okay, because we have another site to submit the e-invoice. Okay, so same goes to self-built. Okay, so that one I will show later.